Hello, in front of me I've got H10 Plus Smart TV box. In this video I'll show you how to add and remove icons and apps on the home page. In the beginning, as you can see right now, on my homepage I've got YouTube, Play Store, Movie Player, Settings, Chrome, Netflix and Twitter. If you want to add some new or remove current ones, go to this three squares icon, enter this menu, and as you can see right here we've got more apps installed on our box. Simply select which one of the apps you want to have installed on the homepage of your box, and now press the back button. As you can see, more apps are now on the homepage. To remove them, again go to this menu, unmatch the apps you don't want, and again go back. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.